okay? By listening to them also, you can speak in English, but you will be making so many mistakes. But if I give you a situation, okay?
Yes, yes, this is absolutely right.
Yes.
I asked the question because there are so many people in my YouTube channel. So I ask for a suggestion what people do or not. So that's why I'm asking this question. How are you doing?
I'm also doing great. Thank you so much for asking. So we are meeting first time, right? And it's been for a
Yes,
few days. You are texting me on YouTube, right? I want to talk to you. I want to do English conversation, right? So
yes,
could you
yes, yes,
introduce yourself today? Because today we are meeting and we are doing session as well, right?
yes, yes. We are meeting first time.
All right.
So can I introduce myself?
Yes, you can introduce.
Okay. So first of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Avnish Kumar. I am from UP, Uttar Pradesh. The district name is Balia. I'm doing Polytechnic in Computer Science Engineering. I live in hostel because my college is above apart from my home. So maximum 100 one 800 kilometers apart from my house. So that's why I'm living in hostel, and that's all about me.
All
So
right,
please
that's great.
tell me about yourself.
Well, my name is Sanjay, and I'm from Uttarakhand, Khatima. And nowadays, it's been for 3 to 4 months. I have been living in Gurugram, Haryana. And if I talk about my hobbies are listening to music, watching movie, and traveling as well. So that's all about me.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah.
So you are from uh, Gurgaon. Are you from Gurgaon?
No, I'm from Uttarakhand, Khatima, but nowadays it's been for 3 to 4 months. I'm living in Gurugram, Haryana because I'm working here. Yes.
Okay, okay, okay.
If you want to ask me anything, okay, you can ask me anything because it's been for a few days, right? You were texting me on YouTube. Do you have any question regarding English? You can ask me, no problem.
Yes, I want to practice English, so that's why I'm typing on YouTube or WhatsApp because I want to practice English. I want to improve my English. I want to improve my communication skills. So that's why for teaching. So that's why I'm texting you and uh, how to practice English. I want to know how to practice English at home. Please tell me.
All right. First of all, I want to tell you, okay, I have already made a video on how can we practice English at home, okay? If you are living alone as well. So I have already posted a video, but no problem. It's been for a few days. You are following my channel. So definitely I should tell you as well, right? So Avnish, I know, I know you are from village, okay? And there is no environment as well, right? So then also you can speak well English because if I talk about myself, I used to live in village, okay? And I used to study in Hindi medium background as well. After that, I took admission in English medium background, and then I have completed my graduation as well. Okay, I done BCom. Till BCom, okay, I was unable to speak in English. Yeah, trust me, I was unable to speak in English. And after some years, there was COVID-19 period, right? In COVID-19 period, we cannot go anywhere, right? We were not going anywhere. We were just, sitting in our home and just wasting our time, okay? But in COVID-19 period, what I did, I have worked on my spoken English, okay? Without any environment, without any friends or family members as well, okay? There is no one in my family, okay, who speaks English. Then also I have improved this language. So now I'll tell you how can we improve this language if you are living alone as well. All right. So nowadays we are living in 21st century. We are having cell phone, okay? But people are
Yes,
just
yes,
wasting their time. They are just watching reels, okay? They are just scrolling reels, right? On day
yes,
and
yes.
night.
You are correct.
But you should not waste your time. Just use your cell phone on right way. Listen to English music, English conversational videos, and English podcast as well. After listening to them, if you are listening a podcast, okay, like what you have to do, you have to imitate means hota hai nakal karna, okay? Whatever you are listening, listen on subtitles, okay? You are listening on subtitles, okay?
Yes,
So
yes.
whatever you are watching, you have to speak loudly as well. From
Speak
that,
more,
what we
speak loud.
yes, yes. So whatever, okay, whatever you will watch, okay, on in that screen, you have to speak loudly. Like what will happen? You will learn natural spoken English because you are watching a podcast of American, right? American podcaster or British podcaster, right? You know how to pronounce a word well, right?
Yes,
Before doing that, you must know some basic grammar as well. You should know tenses. You should know models. If you know tenses and models, okay, then I can guarantee you within 2 to 3 months, you will be speaking very fluent English and you will be, if you want to crack any interview as well, if you want to work in any MNC company as well, you can crack that interview as well. But how you have to practice tenses, I'll tell you, it's very important, okay, if you are a beginner, if you're not beginner as well, okay, if you are in intermediate level as well, how can we get fluency and how can we how can you become good in grammar. For example, I'm learning present indefinite tense, okay. If I say मैं मार्केट जाता हूँ, okay, I go to
yes, yes.
market. क्या मैं
I go to
मार्केट जाता
market.
हूँ? Do I go to market?
Do I go
मैं
to market?
मार्केट क्यों जाता हूँ? Why do I go
Why do
to
I go to
market?
market?
मैं मार्केट
Yes,
कब
yes.
जाता हूँ? When do I go to
When?
market? So yeah, in this way you have to make so many sentences, okay. You should not make only 4 to 5 sentences. You should make hundred of sentence. You have to write as well. You have to speak as well, okay. You have to translate in the same way. Trust me, you can follow these steps and you will be speaking very fluent English, and there will be very good change as well.
Okay. So I have one question. Is it possible without learning grammar, or is it possible or not?
Yes, yeah, it is possible if you are not practicing grammar, okay. Then also you can speak English. You will be speaking very fluently, okay, by watching English content. I told you like podcast, music, and movies as well, okay. By listening to them also you can speak in English, but you will be making so many mistakes. But if I give you a situation, okay, you are just learning English by watching some movies, listening to music and podcasts. Okay, if I say Avnish, today there is a function and you have to talk about this particular topic, so that time you feel nervous. Okay, you get nervous.
Yes,
You
yes,
you won't feel confident because you don't know grammar. Okay, you will say, yeah, I'll make so many mistakes because I don't know grammar. So you will make so many mistakes. But once you learn grammar, okay, by learning grammar, you get confident and you will be speaking very fluently because whatever I'll speak, I'm not making mistake, right? So this is the benefit of grammar.
yes, yes. This is absolutely right.
Yes.
I asked the question because there are so many people in my YouTube channel. So I ask for a suggestion what people do or not. So that's why I'm asking this question.
Yes, yes.
Because grammar is important for is learning English and speaking English.
Yeah, because we are Indian side, it's not our mother tongue, okay? Grammar is very important for us. If I live in USA, if I live in England, right, then I don't need grammar, okay? Yeah, in the starting also, when we go to school, okay, if I'm living in US as well, right, then also, they are having English grammar book, okay? If I talk about in India, right, have you read Hindi? Have you read Hindi?
Yes, yes. I read
There
Hindi.
was a Hindi grammar book, right?
Yes, yes. This name
Yeah.
is Vyakaran.
Yeah, Vyakaran, right? So same thing I'm saying. We live in India. We know Hindi as well, right? Then also, why did we read Hindi grammar? Because we are from India, we know each and everything, right? So
Yes,
we
yes,
must know
yes. You are
grammar.
right.
I don't know why people are saying grammar is not important. Yeah, I say grammar is important, okay? And grammar is not important in some cases, okay? If you just want to
Yes, yes. The
survive in
grammar
English,
is
okay?
not important. You are satisfying. I speak English, so this level grammar is not important. But if you want to improve, if you want to uh, in communication skills for people in easy, you can say fast satisfaction. Fast satisfaction, grammar is not important. But if you are not certified, you will make mistake. Then grammar is important. Am I right?
Same thing I was also saying, and you are also saying same thing. Okay, let me ask one question, okay? You will give the answer as well. Okay. if I'll ask a question, could you tell me about mathematics? Okay, I'm giving a question. Could you solve that mathematic question? If you don't know mathematics, if you are not having knowledge, will you solve that question?
No, no. Without
And will you be confident while doing that question?
no, no, no.
For same English as well, okay? If you want to speak English, if you don't have good knowledge of grammar, okay? If you don't know some, words and vocabularies, how will you speak? How will you be confident? You'll get
Yes.
nervous, right? So same thing I wanted to tell you.
Okay, I understood very well.
Yes. So what else you can ask me? Yeah.
In my college, tomorrow will be farewell in my senior. So I have prepared a speech. So that's why I'm asking when I speak on stage, when I forget this, when I have prepared, then what I will do?
Okay. You can do one thing. First, practice in front of mirror. Okay. For example, we have to talk about Republic Day. Okay. You can watch a few videos on Republic Day. Republic Day. Okay. Watch those videos for 3 to 4 times and practice. Okay. Whatever they are telling you. Okay. On that particular video, you can also repeat same things. And once you get chance to speak in front of stage, okay, then you will be speaking very well. People will clap for you. Oh my God, he's speaking very well. How
Okay,
did he
okay,
speak? Yeah.
okay. That's great. That's great.
Yeah. So now,
So
are you having any question, or should we wrap up this conversation? Because it's been for so many minutes we are talking, right?
yes, yes. Can we wrap up this app or this
On
session?
Yeah, of course. So all right, Avnish, thank you so much. Thank you so much for giving me your
Okay.
precious time. Okay.
Okay, then bye. I will meet in next session.
Uh,
Thank you.
yes. Yeah. Again, we will meet. Okay, we will talk about any particular topic. Okay. So again, thank you so much. Thank you so much for your precious time, and have a great day as well. And always
And
take care as well. Okay. Bye bye.
okay, bye.